Hello ladies and gentlemen, in this video I'll be going through the keyboard shortcuts that are available in the Linux bash terminal. So perhaps starting with an obvious one of Ctrl+C, which ends the current process. Ctrl+D will close the terminal. No point me in trying that one though, because I'll have to open it up again to continue this tutorial. Ctrl+Z will suspend a process. And if you want to resume it again, you type FG and the name of the process. So something like FG and ping will resume the pinging to my website. Ctrl+S will suspend the process, although from what I've read about it, it will actually suspend the output, but not from what I've seen. So if I press Ctrl+Q to resume it, you can see the sequence number is still at the same point. So, not sure on that one. Ctrl+L will clear the screen, but I'll come on to that one later. Tab will complete a command and offer variants on program and folder and file names. #cat and then a folder, for instance that, and let's see what folders are available there. Yeah, pressing tab will give you the available options. Up and down arrows will go through your history, as well as the other options there of Ctrl+P and Ctrl+N. Ctrl+R will search through the previous history of your commands. So you start typing something, and yeah, that's it, that was what I was looking for. Then Ctrl+O will run that command, or Ctrl+G will leave the searching. Exclamation mark will repeat a previous command, and that comes in useful if you do something like apt update, but forget to type in sudo. So you could type in sudo, exclamation mark, so sudo and repeat the previous command. There you go, now I have the option to type in my password to run sudo apt update. There's different options on repeating the previous arguments, so echo woman, and then do, let's say, man, exclamation mark, colon, and a number of the arguments. We'll only have one argument here, so :1, man, woman, no manual entry for woman. A bit of Linux humour there. There's other options to repeat the range of arguments, and from taking one number to the end, you just use a $. Or to repeat all previous arguments, it's exclamation mark asterisk. We can also see what the previous argument was by typing alt and dot, or period, full stop. So that just shows what the argument was there. You can run a previous command and replace a set of letters with another set of letters. So for example, we type in caret, foo, caret, bar, so that will replace foo with bar. Echo bar bar. Moving the cursor around so you have home and end, or Ctrl+A and Ctrl+E. Left and right arrow to move the cursor. Ctrl left or Alt and B to move back one word. Or Ctrl and right arrow and Alt and F to move forward one word. Oops, I've made a typo there, haven't I? It's not back one word, it's forward one word. Now Ctrl+XX, that's not a typo, that is toggle between the beginning and end of the line, but you have to press X twice. So Ctrl+X, X again, moves the cursor. Ctrl+M, enter. Actually that might just be a control character, but hey, it can be used. Deleting text, so clearing the screen, Ctrl+L, as I mentioned earlier. Deleting the character under the cursor, yeah, delete key or backspace, that's pretty common. But deleting the entire word, Alt and D. Well actually in this case it deletes from where the cursor is to the end of the word. So it doesn't delete the entire word. Not sure what I'm on about there with Alt and delete, because that clearly doesn't work. We'll quietly delete that one away and pretend we didn't see it. Fixing typos, Alt and T will swap the current word with the previous word. Escape and T will also do the same thing. Control and T will swap around two characters. And Control Shift and Dash, or Control underscore, is undo. Control and U will clear all text, but that has another feature which I'll come on to later. Alt and R will revert to the line. So go back to what you had in your previous history. Capitalization, Alt and C capitalizes the current character. Alt and U capitalizes the current word from where the cursor is forward. Alt and L does a similar thing but with lowercase. Cutting and pasting with a bash clipboard, this is different to your system clipboard. Cut the word before the cursor is Ctrl and W. Ctrl and Y pastes it. Ctrl+K is cut all the text to the end of the line. Ctrl+Y to put it back in, and Ctrl+U is cattle the text back to the beginning of the line from the current cursor position. That's also good for getting rid of mistyped passwords, but just bear in mind it remains in your clipboard history. So Ctrl+Y put it back out. And from the system keyboard, Ctrl+Alt+V or middle click the mouse, paste text from the system clipboard, and Ctrl+Alt+C copies the highlighted text. Ctrl+C and let's put that here. There you go. So that was a look at the keyboard shortcuts available in Bash. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you all later.